on me. So anyways. Well, I missed the... Good morning, y'all, and happy Sunday. It is that time. So, I'm currently leaving home to go over to my grandmother's house because that's where the kids and my mom are. So I know that she's ready to head home because she has to get ready for a week of work, and then she's actually getting on a cruise to head down to the Bermuda. So I have my iced coffee from yesterday. I'm not sure if we're going to Trader Joe's before she leaves. Her husband loves Trader Joe's. He just never goes in himself. And then B, I'm not sure if I'm just going, like I said, straight back home if we're not going. But I also, I really need to go grocery shopping. I don't think I'm gonna go thrifting today with my grandmother, just because it'd be kind of like a runaround, and we literally just went to 2 Goodwills yesterday. And currently, I'm just kind of in the mood to really relax. I think that, like that concert the other day has really worn me down. Going to bed late at night has worn me down. Getting up at 6 o'clock in the morning to take him to work has really, like I said, worn me down. So, yeah. All this summer I've gotten up early, and then we've stayed up late, because didn't have to rush to go anywhere, and I think it's just taking a toll on me. So anyways, I'm gonna head over there, see what we're gonna do, and then I'll catch up with you guys soon. On to the church house looking like a mermaid. This your fit for the day?
What?
This your fit for the day?
Yep.
Alright, y'all can see that I'm home. Let me show y'all the clothes that we got for back to school. Alright, I'm gonna start with Cam. So he got these sort of like pajama pants. This Captain America shirt. Snoopy shirt. Another one. Snoopy shirt. This Eco Unlimited shirt. Some black pants. Got this. Some camouflage pants from Old Navy. 4 pair of shorts, Champion by Champion. 2 gray, black, and then like a darker gray. Some shorts. Another pair of shorts. Pair of pants. Shorts. Looney Tune. Hulkamania. He got that at Buc-ee's. 2 pair of socks. Nikes from Ross. They were $16.99, $14.99. Alright, let me show you what she got. Alright, so she got this like little skirt from Old Navy, $4.99. Pair of jeans. These were $10 from Old Navy. They are skinny. And then we got these for $5. These are just like the little legging things. And then got this little jacket. Let's see. This is like a 2-pack of Relay Stitch shirts that came together for $10. Got a pair of shorts for $8. These are Adidas. Got a cute little Skechers skirt for $8. And this little shirt here for $6. It came with like the back. The back is kind of in the shape of a bow. It says love. And we got this shirt right here. This was $6. This shirt here was $4 for this little shirt, so it's something mixed with a little bit of drama. And then a 3-pack of pants for $10. So gray, purple, and like some floral. Put up in Cam's room because his was broke. But in the meantime, I also made some cinnamon rolls for me and the kids to eat for breakfast. So they're about to come out of the oven, icing those up. And I got my laundry going to wash the stuff from Goodwill yesterday. Okay, y'all, so I decided to come out because part of my reset for today was simply just to, you know, go get a couple groceries and then, of course, to get dinner. But somehow I picked the wrong time to come out. So I'm gonna go to Kroger, get some groceries because the one that I wanted to do a pickup order for and pick everything up tomorrow, they no longer allow us to do pickup orders there because that one is closing. So then I'm gonna grab some dinner for me and Chuck from Torchy's Tacos, kind of the salad that he brought us the other night. Go from there. All right, y'all, so I'm in here grocery shopping and mostly everything is like being marked down. So it's being marked down because they're trying to get this store gone, or like the stuff gone. But the crazy part is like everything's, you know, at a good price. Well, I missed the rain, y'all. I was gonna just put my order in, but it's literally right across the street. And with it raining like this, I'd just rather go over there, go in and order and wait. I honestly would rather go in and order anyway because I want to use my coupon for the chips and cheese or chips and queso or whatever. And then I want to make sure I get, you know, like Charles's food correct in my food, but I also want some extra shrimp added to that salad. Okay. But anyways, so the deal with Kroger. When I went in there, that was not what I was expecting. First of all, that is the only Kroger I really go to. So now I'm going to have to like really bite the bullet and go to the one back down near Charles's job because the other one is a good 20-minute drive. And I'm just like, nope. So they are closing on the 20th of August, which means that, you know, it is what it is. So my little sister works in there, and they were telling me that they have to, you know, see where they were placed at as far as like either going to the other two and kind of go from there. I'm more along the lines of like Kroger is better with deals, so I'm going to continue to go. It's just I have to figure out, you know, like I said, good times and pickups and stuff like that. So certain items were like 20% off. Eventually, you know, they'll continue to drop the prices, and I'm sure that is when everybody you know, will end up being in there right along with me. I mean, it wasn't that many people, but it was enough. So to restock my house, I, you know, went and got my little groceries. It is still lightning, it's still thundering, and there's nowhere really to park. Oh, I see a parking space. I want to be able to park up front so that I can run in this place and get some food. So I really want that salad. I'll see you in a minute. All right, I don't know how long it took me. I'm gonna have to check when I get in the car, but I got the bag. All right, y'all, so it took me about 30 minutes. I would say anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes to get that food. I felt like I was sitting in like at an Applebee's restaurant for all of that time, you know what I mean? But anyways, it's still raining. I wanna try to get home, get this food in the house, and I'll share with you guys what I got once I get there. And of course, I'll show you guys the dinner that I got. Literally, I cannot believe 1 week from today, I'll be getting myself ready to go back to work. But I went ahead and I just went ahead and like got some things ahead of time. All right, I'm finally home. I got 3 bags of the Cooked Perfect Italian style or home style meatballs. 2 are Italian style, 1 is home style. These were 2 for $4. These were 3 for $10, so I might as well. Got the Uncrustables and strawberry and grape jelly. A thing of, and they're stuck because they got moved down, but the California roll, $6.49. Gonna miss picking those up from there. And then we got the $2.99 Red Baron pizza. So we got the cheese trio and then the supreme. This one just has a little bit of everything on it. And then I got white bread, some slider buns, and some hamburger buns. I also picked up some chicken. This is fresh hot fried chicken. Says it's a 4-piece, but it looks like there's more in there. Red onion, tomato, 3 of the smoked bacon, egg and cheese burritos, and then 3 of the sausage and cheese burritos. I got a thing of bagels, plain go-go squeeze. This was $2.99, and then this was on clearance for $2.05. These were $1 each. The Vienna sausage, got the ketchup, and then I got these were at a really good price too. These are the chocolate and strawberry syrups for milk. $1.99 this week is the original barbecue sauce by Kinder's. Then we got the Italian or light Italian Olive Garden sauce, chunky garden combination, less than $3. Sweet peas, corn, penny noodles, 2 boxes of the classic white cake mix box. I don't know if these are new or not, but I'll try these for myself. Frosted banana bread Pop-Tarts, and then I got cookies and cream. I also picked up 2 of the taco seasoning kits, and then the mashed potato Hidden Valley Ranch, and then the pastaroni angel hair pasta. 2 of the Pringles original and salt and vinegar, and then 2 of these were $4.22 for a 22 pack, $1.99 for the chewy dipped chocolate chip bars. And then I also got just some other things on sale like this. I think this was like $3. It's the cashews that have the glaze on them with the pomegranate vanilla. These were 3 for $10, so I got the Oreo pack, the Chips Ahoy Candy Blast pack, and then the Chips Ahoy Chewy pack, as well as the Buttermilk Ranch rice cakes. And then I got these 2, which were $5 each, the Frosted Sugar Cookie packs. Got a thing of eggs. This is a large one, so 18 eggs. And then strawberry cream cheese, original cream cheese spread whipped, salted butter, unsalted butter, packs of cheese. So I got mild cheddar, mozzarella, parmesan, pizza blend, Kobe Jack cheese snacks, and Kobe Jack shredded. And then I got 2 bags of the chopped broccoli, so the other one's right there, the cheese tortellini, classic garden salad, and then I picked up the Donut Shop coffee K-Pods, 3 of the Olipop. So I have banana cream, orange squeeze, strawberry, vanilla, 2 of the grape Big K sodas, the orange soda, Coca-Cola soda or whatever, a Sprite. And then I got this one. This is the juice cocktail, white cranberry with strawberry. And then I picked up 2 of these dollar drinks, pineapple coconut and strawberry grape body armor drinks. This is new. It's the Simply Grape. And I needed some more coffee creamer and some more milk. And so that kind of about sums it up for everything. I also picked up this, which is on closeout, like I did before, the banana bread batter. You just simply put it into a loaf pan after greasing it and then bake it for 60 to 65 minutes.
Correct. Love to prove that, wouldn't you? Get your name into the National Geographic.